Fighter, the F35C Lightning II. I'm sorry, did I not tell you that they brought two? That is Lieutenant Joe Calvi, call sign 811, who's in the other airplane. What a treat to be able to get two F-35Cs at the same time. They're going to do a couple of passes for us. Watch the rejoin. This is one of the most difficult things to do because the trailing aircraft has to really get on the throttle to get up close, but then at the last minute get off the speed so they can get into formation with one another. By the way, if you see these airplanes go by and you see a bright glow in the tailpipe, that means that the afterburner is going. We just got word that the guys are going to head on back to MacArthur. I hope you'll help me give a big round of applause for the